perfect for everyday use, especially environments like this. So when I watch my content, I hear how good the quality is. If I ever redo the video, it's one of the things that I always do. So not only my content, but also music, and like I say, noise cancellation. Environments like this, you get tired, you walk for hours, you want to take a little nap. They have resting areas. It's just loud in the resting areas. Set these up, do noise cancellation. All right, we're gonna open the app TOZO. All right, and the TOZO app is gonna actually automatically, well, let's update it. All right, right now, if you guys can see, we don't have any device. So we're gonna add the device and plugged it in directly to it, to Bluetooth, and now you should be able to see it on your phone. Once we set up the actual system, it's gonna connect to it. Now it tells you how much charge you have on the left and right, if you guys can see that, and also the other options you have. Your noise cancellation, reduce of wind noise. Right now we have a normal mode, transparency mode, and then leisure mode and customize mode. All right, so customize, you could make all mixtures. Right now in AI mode, they have a lot of different meetings. They have meeting recording, real-time translation, and face-to-face AI chats. All right, overall, the headphones are very comfortable. If you guys can see that, they're very discreet too, to be honest with you. Now, these are going to last you for many hours, and then if you're carrying the case, it's even more. So I like the features that the app has. There's a lot of features that haven't been used that people probably don't even know about it. But after discovering it, I am so stoked with all the stuff it has. It comes in handy, especially the AI. If you're trying abroad and you want to make sure you have some sort of translator, this is it. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.